Hey everybody, this is a review of the Nightfall Sounds Company Desconfused. It's a high saturation overdrive that kind of borders on fuzz territory. I'm playing a GNL S500, which is a Strat style guitar. I'm going into a Car Rambler 212, similar to a Fender Reverb. Here's clean sound on the neck. Here's the bridge. Here is the neck and bridge pickups together. And here is the Desconfused neck position. And here is the bridge position. Both the neck and the bridge together. And I just want to show you how this thing cleans up with the volume knob on the guitar. I'm back to the neck position. I'm going to back the volume off quite a bit. And neck position, bridge position. Neck and bridge together. And once again, clean tone, just for reference.